Hello everyone, this is Michael with National Bus. You can reach us at 1-800-475-1439 or visit us online at www.nationalbus.com. And today, I've got this 2019 Ford E450 Starcraft for you in a 25-passenger configuration. It's powered by the proven 6.8-liter Ford V10 gas engine with regular hydraulic brakes, making it a familiar platform that's easy to drive and easy to find service for anywhere that you go. It's sitting right around the 70,000 mile mark, and we can have it fully DOT ready for you on day one. Around the exterior, you've got full tint all the way around, chrome wheels, chrome bumper, chrome grille, LED lighting in the heavy-duty driver's step. I did edit out a little bit of the previous owner's decal residue on the front and rear so you can better see how this bus is going to look once it's completely cleaned up. But other than that, it could really only benefit from a few minor cosmetic recon items outside, and the tires are in good condition as well. Moving inside, the passenger area is in really nice shape. I didn't notice any rips or tears anywhere in the vinyl seating. You've got high-backed activity-style reclining seats with lap belts installed, along with the separating function that gives passengers a little more elbow room when needed. There are parcel racks overhead, 2 large entertainment monitors, airplane-style reading lights and speakers underneath the parcel racks. The floor is in good condition, and this bus is equipped with full front and rear AC in here to help keep passengers comfortable no matter the weather outside. Up front, you've got the comfortable vinyl driver's seat with an armrest installed, a huge amount of console storage, cruise control, 12-volt power, a built-in backup camera that way more buses should have, and of course, powered entry and exit doors. It is super well kept in here. It will be a comfortable platform that's easy to live with day in and day out. So overall, this is a clean, practical shuttle bus that's easy to own, easy to operate, and ready to serve a wide variety of passenger transportation needs. And as always, we can further customize this bus directly to your needs, whether that's additional storage, basic lettering, or anything from simple upgrades all the way to full body wrap support delivery. So if this 2019 Ford Starcraft is of interest to you, or if you have any other transportation needs from passenger vans to shuttle buses, activity buses, school buses, motor coaches, or our Ultra Coach liner in newer pre-owned conditions, then please do feel free to reach out to us at 1-800-475-1439 or visit us at www.nationalbus.com so we can find out how best we can be of service to you. Till then, thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you again soon.